Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable the touchscreen inputs within your One Piece Bounty Rush PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up One Piece Bounty Rush on your PC, and once you are taken into the homepage, click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Now click on Options and then click on Battle at the top section. Now you can scroll down until you see the virtual D-pad option. Just click on the hide button, and now this will hide your virtual keypads. You can also change the location of the placement for the virtual D-pad as well as your buttons. Once you have chosen your desired settings, you can just click on the close button, and this will save your changes. And now you can start your match with the touchscreen buttons disabled. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to disable the touchscreen displays on the One Piece Bounty Rush PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.